Reviewing Adobe Photoshop Elements 2022. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch the program. Where it launches here. So I bought the Black Friday deal pack, where basically it's got Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Elements in one, and it's got 2 DVDs inside the box. I bought it from Best Buy yesterday, so I'm going to actually do an install tutorial video also for when you want to install from DVD, or if you want to install from the internet. I will do a tutorial on that. So anyway, let's open up a previous project I was working on. So it's basically just a simplified version of Photoshop is the way I see it. So here we have my picture. Wait a minute, I gotta save this. Place it. So, difference than Creative Cloud with this, it's a one-time purchase. Just like Adobe Creative Suite, except much cheaper, and it's new, it's modern. See, I have an old computer with CS5 on it, and it's old, but like this is so much cheaper. See, Creative Suite was like $1,000 per app in the suite, and this cost me only $89.99 at Best Buy yesterday, so I got a good deal. So it's just a simplified version of Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Premiere Pro. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and edit this. So we're gonna discard the guided session, and here we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna edit this a little bit. So I did some editing here. We're gonna go ahead and oops, don't need that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a folder. Wait a minute. Here's group and layers. Create a group. Okay. I'm gonna call this edits. There we go. Now we're gonna turn off edits, and we're gonna see how this looks without it. I got a big red forehead, like looks like I was sleeping on it or something. This was when I wore a suit to school last week because I thought it was picture day, even though I am a senior and I already got my senior picture. Here it is. I don't know, it's not really relevant to the episode, but I figured I'd put it there anyway. So I confused it and realized, oh wait a minute, it's not picture day for seniors, and I wore a suit by mistake. So, but hey, it was good. I liked it. People loved it. So anyway, back on track here. This was in my English class. My hair's all messy here. Let's see, is there anything I don't want in this picture? Let's see here. Let's maybe change the color of the tie. Well, I want to change. We're gonna go to preferences. Actually, we're gonna go to general. I think. Yeah, I think it's this one. We're gonna go to Shift key for tool switch. Okay, this is selection brush tool. Magic wand tool. Alright. Oh, okay, here we gotta select some pixels. No. I'm gonna just select the tie. Or fine. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Like I didn't know about elements too much. I know about Adobe Photoshop. I'm certified in visual design with it, but this is different. I like it a lot. It's one-time purchase. Just an activation code you put in after you install it and everything, and then there you go. Alright, we're gonna keep going Shift A. There we go. So I'm gonna color my tie a little. Just a little bit. Not too much. Nice. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and do hue and saturation, colorize. See, if you know the backbones of Adobe Photoshop, like it's easy to know how to use. Hold up, we gotta put this above edits. There we go. Okay. So now I got a green tie. It's a little much. So there's our dark green tie. Brown tie, red tie, blue tie. Look at that. So basically you get the point here. So we're going to close that panel. Command S. We're going to save that. So this is just a basic Photoshop, like mini Photoshop. That's all it really is. Not much of it. You can do some photo effects. Looks nice. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So that's I don't know what was going on in there, but anyway. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna start swearing a little bit on this channel. I'm 18, so my parents can't get mad at me anymore. I have strict parents, but not anymore because I can say whatever the hell I want on here. But that's not very professional, so you know what? I'm gonna censor that out. But what am I gonna use to edit? If you thought Adobe Premiere Pro, you're wrong. I'm gonna use Premiere Elements. I'm gonna edit this, so yeah. Don't swear, kids. It's not very professional. Yeah. Nice acrylic. Ooh. See, I like this. I can do like permanent edits. Like I could do like I don't have to worry about having to pay for a subscription or anything. It's perfect. So anyway, I made myself look like a something. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end the tutorial here. And actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna end the tutorial, but in the app. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into about the software. Adobe Photoshop Elements is a simplified photo editor that uses it's based off of Adobe Photoshop, but it's much more simplified. It's a one-time purchase suite. If you get the Premiere Pro, I mean, it's both of them are one-time purchases. I got the Black Friday bundle where it's got Photoshop and Premiere Elements. So it's basically just Photoshop, but it's much more simplified than the actual Adobe Photoshop. And the best part is it's a one-time purchase. That's like my biggest thing, like, because I'm leaving the Digital Media Academy at school because I'm going to be taking driver's ed. And they're going to cancel my Adobe subscription. Now, web design I don't use too much, really, but, like, Photoshop and Premiere Pro are my, like, biggest apps that I use that are Adobe, so this helped me, this saved me, and, yeah, it cost me about $89.95 at Best Buy on Black Friday. So I got that. I also got Call of Duty Vanguard, the new Call of Duty game. I did the zombie campaign on it, well, like the zombies mode. Haven't done campaign mode yet because I'm waiting for the file to download. It is a huge file and everything, but I'm looking forward to it. It's like I played Modern Warfare a little bit, and I started campaign mode on that one, and I like it. It's an interesting game, and I find it really fun. But anyway, yeah. So I installed this on a DVD drive that I bought for $24.95. I think is how much it cost me at Best Buy. It's an LG DVD writer. It's a piece of crap because it only reads some types of DVDs, not all of them. Like, it'll read like a whatchamacallit, like DVD. Like I have a Russian kids show from like the 50s, and it's like it works on there, but it doesn't on somewhere else. Like, it won't work for another one. But anyway, that's about it for today. Have a nice day.